21-year-old returns to his homeland after 4 years in Germany. You know who I'm talking about. It's Jadon Sancho, who has recently signed for Manchester United. Now the thing is that there was a lot of discussion going on my channel that how much did they pay for him. Now the thing is that there have been a lot of confusion about it because there are euros, there are pounds, there are millions in which it is calculated, right? So let's clear that first. United has signed him for 73 million pounds, 85 million euros and $100 million. That is it. Now there are a lot of things that this deal covers, and that is that he becomes the second most expensive English player after Harry Maguire, and also he is the third most expensive signing for Manchester United. The most expensive signing for Manchester United has been Paul Pogba. He's at number 1 for Manchester United in the most expensive signings. Now number 2 goes to Harry Maguire. Now for the third most expensive player for Manchester United, there was a little bit confusion because Lukaku was signed for 75 million pounds and Jadon Sancho deal is in 73 million pounds. But the thing is that with add-ons, this deal becomes almost 76.55 million pounds, which is why Jadon Sancho is the third most expensive signing for Manchester United, and then Lukaku comes at number 4. Now about Jadon Sancho. Did I mention that he's just 21-year-old? He joined Watford at the age of 7 and he excelled for Watford's under 14 and under 15, and from there he went to Manchester City. And guess what? At Manchester City, he got an offer in August 2017 and the offer was £30,000 a week contract plus getting a chance to play under Pep. But Jadon Sancho refused that and he went to Dortmund for £8 million. Just £8 million, and now Manchester United is getting him for £73 million. Imagine the growth he would have seen at Dortmund. Jadon Sancho gets into very good positions. He tackles, he works hard for the team, he puts into extra effort for the team, and he's a very ambitious player. Now these are the qualities that can actually make you from good to great in any club, and that is why he's going to be an asset in Manchester United. Now he might fill in that right wing position for United, but at Dortmund he could even play at left. Now talking about Dortmund, in 137 appearances for the club, he's already registered 50 goals and 64 assists. Now this deal with Manchester United is going to help Watford as well as Manchester City in terms of monetary gain. So Watford is going to get solidarity payment and 15% of the profit of a sell-on fee for Jadon Sancho to Manchester City. Just imagine Greenwood, Rashford, Cavani, then Daniel James, then Anthony Martial, and now Jadon Sancho. Attack is going to be lethal, and I'm not even mentioning Paul Pogba and Bruno Fernandes for Manchester United. It's going to be so lethal, but everything depends on how Ole manages to utilize it, what formation is going to be using for Manchester United to compensate, to accommodate everybody and actually proving worthwhile to win the silverware. Premier League has always been giving such delicious news, be it player transfer, be it managerial signings, and it has always kept things exciting and spicy for us, and that is what Premier League is all about. Let's see what more drama is left in this summer transfer window. Okay, that is it from me today. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Also do comment below whatever you think about Jadon Sancho and the signing. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Namaste.